dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with yet again another new video. Now I have been bringing new brands to my channel and I am super excited today. I have partnered with FabFitFun and I am taking a peek into the new fall box. If you are curious about this company as well as what it is that's inside of the package, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so let's just jump right in. First of all, I have partnered with FabFitFun and I've always seen them like in magazines and I've seen them on social media and I've always been curious. So the fact that I get to open one of these boxes with you dolls for the first time, I did not want to open it until I was here with you, okay? So we are unboxing together and I'm super excited. So just a little bit about the company. They work with charities every season as well as female founded brands. So I thought that was pretty powerful and pretty cool. So long story short, you only can get the box 4 times a year and they give you like $200 worth of items. And again, all the items relate to fitness, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, like everything we would ordinarily want, but you get it in a box and you get the full size items and you only pay $49.99. So I think that's an awesome deal. And if you want to give it a try yourself, of course, I'm going to put a link down below, but you can check them out with my coupon code Crystal10. But yes, enough of me talking. Okay, so this is the box. I think it's so beautiful. So it's a pretty big box, as you can see. It's really cute. It has City of Hope on the front. I'm gonna have to Google that to see what that's about. But yeah, it's sealed. So let's just bust into this. It's pretty weighty. Y'all, can I just tell you how it's the fall time, but it feels like Christmas? That's how I always feel when I'm unboxing. So I am excited to do this with you all. That you actually can now customize what it is that you're receiving. So it's not necessarily a full surprise. You can actually kind of choose some of what you receive. Okay, so this is by Amika. I am such a product junkie and I just love new things, so I'm really excited to like take everything out and try everything. So ooh, y'all, can I just tell you again, the whole box is $49.99. I just had to bring that back real quick because this is a flat iron. So this is a flat iron and it has a cute little traveling case, and y'all, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a pretty coral color and it basically, it looks like it goes up to 450 degrees. My flat iron that I have now, I paid 80 bucks for, okay? So the fact that I have this full-size flat iron, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. That's a wonderful way to start this, okay? Here, it has a magazine inside of the box, and it lets me know it's fall 2019. Tells you basically about the companies that are in the box and gives you some cool things to know. So this is a hair towel, so it's like a hair bonnet, so that's pretty neat. So basically you put it on, you twist it, and you put it back. Oh, cool. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Has a little button on here, so I'm assuming this goes in the back. So this is like a basically like a terry cloth, kind of looks like a towel. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I would put all my hair in here and then I would twist it. Gosh, I just did my hair, so I don't really feel like putting it on, but you can kind of get the idea, okay? You would put this part on your head, you would tuck all your hair in here, and then you would twist it around, and then you can button it just like that. So that's how it would be on your head, okay? This would be the front like that, and then you would have this go in the back. Okay, so that's how it would look. So I thought this is pretty neat. I can use this on my bath days. It's called After Spa and it's a hair towel. So that gives you an example of what it looks like. So next I have Daily Hair Repair Good. So I love that it's name brand products. This is by Aveda or Aveda. So I used to get my hair done there all the time with some of the students. We have a school here. But yeah, this is for daily hair repair. This is a full bottle of 3.4 ounces. It's a leave-in treatment, and you're supposed to shake it, use a small amount, work it through your damp hair, comb to distribute. And what it's supposed to do is just help your hair and your ends and keep your hair healthy. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so it's like really lightweight. This is the hair leave-in repair treatment. So really lightweight and smells pretty good. Kind of smells like lemongrass. That smells pretty good. So that's for your hair. Have skincare with a conscience. Okay, this is by Humankind. It's all natural, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free. So that's pretty nice. So it's vegan, it is whipped, and it's supposed to basically absorb into your body like a souffle. It's super moisturized and it's supposed to leave you moisturized and soft to the touch. So let's do the smell test. Now this is 6.7 fluid ounces, so really big. Okay, so far I just put a little on. And that is how that looks. It feels really silky and smooth, not too oily. That smells good. That smells really light and fresh. That feels good. I love how it feels. I'm gonna put some more on. It feels thin. Yeah, it's not thick feeling at all. And it already has my hands looking pretty good. Do you see? So this is the Better Skin company. This is their Better Skin Lava Magic. So it's a cleanser and scrub and mask all in one. So based off the ingredients, it is volcanic lava. They say they have some calendula, sweet orange, grapeseed oils, cucumber, parsley. Basically use a pea-sized amount daily, mix it with water, put it on your skin, or you can use it as a scrub twice weekly. And it says to put on your skin, massage it in, and leave it on for about a minute. Or you can use it as a mask, or you can leave it on 3 to 6 minutes. So just depending on how long you keep it on as far as the treatment. Yeah, that looks cool. Look at that. It's like wet. Ooh, I want to put this on my face right now. It smells good. Yeah, it smells like orange. So on the back, it does say that it's scented with a hint of orange. I'm going to just put this on my hand. I just want to see. Oh, it's gritty. Wow. Oh man, this is going to feel really good when I exfoliate with it. So that is the amount. I wish you guys can really see. Definitely gives me sandy vibes. It's sandy. It has like that consistency of the scrub on the inside. I know that this is going to do wonders for my face, and this is going to do wonders even for my hands. I could not imagine doing this twice a week on my face with this, probably once a week, because it's super gritty. And I wish I had some waters to see how it lathers, but it smells good. It's not too much. Like, again, I do not like heavy fragrances. I do not like to have something that's overpowering, and this is just a slight hint of the orange, but it's refreshing. Now, this is really cute. I love the presentation of their packaging. These are exfoliating sugar cubes. So we just had a mask that was for your face. Now these cubes, I'm gonna read the instructions just to see what it says, but these cubes are by Harper and Airy. One single cube with you in the shower or a bath, and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. They recommend do that twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. They do say it's for the body only, so not for your face. I'm gonna go ahead and have a smell. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, this reminds me, it kind of smells like melon. It smells like melon and cucumber. Oh my gosh, y'all, this smells so good. This is my favorite scent of the whole entire haul. It kind of reminds me of that cucumber water. It kind of reminds me of the green melon. Is it called honeydew? It has to be melon flavor because it even looks like melon. That's the color that it is. And it's something that you can squeeze. Watch me do that. You see? It's kind of moldy. You see that? So it's like a gummy consistency. It really does feel like candy in my hand. So what they're saying is you're supposed to lather it up when you're wet and massage it all over your body. So I would particularly put this on my elbows, on my knees, on the bottom of my feet, on the top of my feet, anywhere that I need it to be silky soft. This is by Wanderer and it's a beauty product. It says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So I just can't wait to get into my bath this week because I'm gonna be pampering myself, y'all. Like seriously, your girl's little spa self-care Sunday is about to be on a whole nother level thanks to FabFitFun. Okay, but it says that these are individually packed. They're gold foil. They're supposed to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So definitely I need it. Basically it says that there's 3 layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat, it prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, so the mask will never slip. And the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin loving benefits that you need. So there is hyaluronic acid, which is awesome. There's also aloe leaf extract and lavender oil. So it actually gives you a cooling effect while it's calming your under eye area. So that's exciting. You get 6 pair. So this is how they come. Again, I'm not gonna open it because I definitely want to use it, but it says like this is how it looks. So you see these little eye patches and they're gold. So that's what it looks like. Okay, this is really cute. This is more in the lifestyle category, and this is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board. It's a gift set. So basically this comes with 2 cheese knives, a removable ceramic plate, and you can serve hors d'oeuvres on here, cheese on here. Basically it's a wood cheese board, a plate, 2 stainless steel cheese knives. It is dishwasher safe and it's a ceramic plate. I'm gonna open it because I want you dolls to see. Okay, yeah, so it's like a rose gold color. See, so pretty. And this is the plate. So if we have like cheese on here or something like that, we can pass it around. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever gotten anything from FabFitFun before. This is my first time trying their seasonal boxes and I was pleasantly surprised, okay? So I will put the link to everything down below, even my coupon code, which is Crystal10. That way you dolls can save some coins off of your first order. But again, it's like $200 worth of items. They're full-size items. There are things that you can even customize yourself. And dolls, so that is it. Again, today was my first box from FabFitFun and I'm super excited. I was able to unpack and show you dolls exactly what was inside. So let me know if you like unboxing videos. Let me know if you've ever tried FabFitFun before. In fact, if you want to give it a go, I do recommend to take a peek down in the description box. I will put my coupon code Crystal10. That way you can save some coins off your very own subscription. But again, y'all, it's 4 times a year. It's every season. They come out with these really nice products and many of them are female based brands and you get full size products, which is super duper nice. And again, you can even customize what you get. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Be sure if you haven't already subscribed to this channel that you do that. Also subscribe to my fitness and my vlog channel. You already know, girlfriend. I'm gonna put those links down below as well in the box. I want to say thank you dolls so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.